At first, this photo looks like a symbol of pride. A massive ship standing tall in the ocean, filled with passengers, ready for its historic journey. The RMS Titanic, known as the unsinkable ship. Everything about this moment feels powerful and full of hope. But what makes this photo haunting is what happened just hours later. In April 1912, the Titanic began its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York. It was the largest and most luxurious ship ever built at the time. People believed it was impossible for this ship to sink. Passengers from all classes were on board, celebrating what was supposed to be a safe and unforgettable journey. For the first few days, everything went smoothly. But on the night of April 14th, everything changed. The Titanic struck a massive iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean. At first, the damage didn't seem serious, but slowly, water began to fill the ship. Panic started to spread. Lifeboats were limited. Many passengers didn't realize the danger until it was too late. Within just a few hours, the unsinkable ship began to sink beneath the icy waters. More than 1,500 people lost their lives that night. Photos like this were taken before the disaster, capturing a moment of calm before one of the most tragic events in history. Looking at this image now, it feels different. What once looked like a symbol of hope now feels like the final moment before everything was lost. Sometimes a single photograph doesn't just capture history, it captures the last normal moment before everything changes. And this wasn't the only photo taken before a disaster. If you want to see more dark and mysterious stories behind real photos, make sure to subscribe to Dark Photo Files.